Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says here, select the incorrect statement. So, which one of the following statement is incorrect? So, first statement is given that living state is non-equilibrium steady state. So, this one is correct. How this one is correct? As we know, the living state, but the living state is always non-equilibrium, non-equilibrium, and it is a steady state. So there will be no equilibrium. So for that, this is so living state are always in the non-equilibrium steady state. So this one is correct here. Then option B is given that is the system at equilibrium can perform work. So this one is wrong here because the system at equilibrium cannot perform work. So that means the living state are always in the non-equilibrium state. So how equilibrium can perform work? So for that, non-equilibrium state can perform the work, not the equilibrium. So this one is wrong here. So if we get the answer, then check for the last two. So C is given that is the living process is a constant effort to prevent the system falling into equilibrium. So this one is correct. How this one is correct? Because the living system can work in the non-equilibrium state. So when there will be equilibrium occur, when in sometimes when there will be equilibrium occur, we face some equilibrium case. So the living system cannot work. So it cannot work. So for that, we have to prevent this equilibrium state. We have to change the equilibrium state into the non-equilibrium state. So for that, we need some energy, or we input some energy to convert this equilibrium state to non-equilibrium state. So for that, the living process can is a constant effort to prevent the system falling into the equilibrium. ये prevent करता है equilibrium state को. So for that, it requires some input energy. So this statement is correct. Then D is given that without metabolism there cannot be a living system. So this statement is correct because for the that means without metabolism there cannot be a living state, because the non-equilibrium state, what is in the non-equilibrium state, that means that this type of state are always seen in the metabolism. So metabolism, that means some construction process or from some destruction process. So when some when the complex molecules are the breakdown of the complex molecule occur and they are formed from the complex molecule we get the simpler molecule. So this is the process, that is this is the breakdown process, or this is the catabolism process. So this is a reaction, and this is the non-equilibrium reaction. And when the simpler molecule are converted into the complex molecule by combined with each other complex molecule, this process is known as the anabolic. That means this is a construction process, anabolism. So both the anabolism and catabolism combine to form the metabolism process, so it is known as metabolism. So this is a reaction, and this always in seen in the living state where the life is not exist, there will be no metabolism occur in that case. So without metabolism, that means there cannot be a living state. So all these three are correct, but option B is wrong for this question and is wrong statement, and this one is the correct answer for this question. So option B is correct. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.